Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
Hi my sweet friends, it's Tanya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is we are going to be decorating my fireplace and mantle for Christmas 2024. I hope you enjoy this Christmas decorate with me. I've changed some things up and I want to make this year's mantle very elegant, I would say, is the term for this year for my home decor. I think your house should reflect you and what you like. I mean, you don't have to go with the latest, greatest little trends that are going on. You can if you want to. Some of them are very pretty. But I'm going to be breaking some trends this year, and I hope you enjoy the video where I show you how to make your house definitely feel like an extension of you and your family. So let's get started decorating this. You can already see I've taken down my clock. I really loved it there, but it was impossible to decorate around. I just moved this mirror that I had over there and put my clock. I basically switched places. So everything that I'm going to be showing you is items that I've had, except I did do a little DIY for the mantle, and I'm going to be showing you that as well. So let's get started. Okay, I bought this garland that I love in Texas last year. It was viral. So I have this, and I definitely could if I wanted to. I used it last year. I could put it up there. It would be pretty, but I don't want to do that this year. Like I said, and this can look elegant too, so if that's what you're doing, it's going to be pretty, but that's not what I want to do this year. I'm going in with this garland I've had forever from Michael's, and I'm just going to lay it basically right back here. I'm not even going to bring it out to the front. I don't want to do that. I just want to lay it up there like that. Now let's take a little look at a really simple, easy DIY that I did for this mantle, because I have seen nutcrackers that are like $200 and some, and I didn't want to spend that. I knew I could recreate the look much cheaper. So I went to Hobby Lobby, got some nutcrackers, and check out what I did with them. All right, I picked up 4 of these plain nutcrackers from Hobby Lobby, and then I went to Home Depot and bought some metallic gold paint, spray paint, and I just spray painted them, and I think it gave them such a more richer, high-end look for less. So here is how they turned out. Is that not gorgeous? And I did not pay $200 and some for this. I just spray painted them. I think they are beautiful, okay? And then I just spray painted this block of wood. And I'm gonna take this little nutcracker and this and just elevate it right like that. Next, I'm going in with these trees that I got at Hobby Lobby a long time ago after Christmas, and I just wrapped those really cute small little fairy lights from Walmart there, and they're on a timer, and I'm just going to put that right under there and center that in that arch. Then I'm going in with this other nutcracker. I have different ones. This one has the drum, and I'm going to put him centered right there. I love how elegant this is turning out. I'm trying to get my whole house decorated before Black Friday. That way I can go shop. And speaking of Black Friday, I'd like to say a portion of this video is sponsored by Dossier Perfumes. I love Dossier Perfumes. I've worked with them in the past, and I'm so excited to announce that they are having one of their biggest sales of the entire year, their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, which every day throughout the month of November, you get a certain percentage off. And it's more each day. I'm so excited for this. If you haven't tried their perfumes, what are you waiting for? They recreate high-end, iconic scents at a very fraction of this price, and they smell exactly like the high-end perfumes. And I just pulled out 2 of my favorites. This one is Fruity Brown Sugar. I love how it smells. I get compliments all the time. I have my mom hooked on these, my brother, my sister-in-law. They have scents for everyone. And then citrus peony. And with Dossier, you can get usually 2 perfumes for the price of one of the high-end scents, and they layer wonderfully. So I will link in the description box below the link to order, all the information. Go check it out. You don't want to miss this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, biggest sales of the year by Dossier. Now, let's continue decorating. Then in the center right here, I have this beautiful deer, is it not gorgeous, that I picked up at Hobby Lobby years ago, okay? And I spray painted another one of these. I'm just gonna set it right there in the center. And I'm gonna set this deer right up on it. I think that's very festive and very elegant. So this is what we have so far. I really like changing out that mirror. You know, if you just change out your decor in different places, and I love our new paint color, it can give you a look of a new home without actually having to go buy one, I think. Okay, so look at that, I love it. And after we get this decorated, I'll show you my trees, and I want to decorate my hutch and my server. So there's plenty more decorating to come. Okay, I've had these bells for a couple years now. I got them at World Market, and I just put this ribbon on it myself because that's what I wanted. And I'm just gonna hang this right here. Instead of putting it from the side, I wanted to put it there. And then I made this adorable bow that's so easy to make out of that same ribbon that was on my living room Christmas tree. And I'm just gonna put it right here. And I think that gives it a very elegant, festive touch. Now we're gonna go down here. I'm going in with this stool, set it at an angle. And then I have the mate to that other deer. Isn't that beautiful? Gonna set him right there. Okay, let's go over there. All right, next I'm going in with this lantern. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby this spring, and I just put a flameless candle in there and this really pretty cold and frosty wreath, and I love the gold. It's gonna play off all my other gold. And I'm just gonna set it right here. I think that is perfect. Now I need to put some stockings. Had these forever too, Hobby Lobby years ago. Just gonna put them right up here on my mantle. I have them in a command hook. Then I'm going to put this one right here. And then Maggie would never forgive me if I didn't put hers up. That's how I'm doing my mantle this year. Like I said, understated elegance in my mind. That's what I'm going for. Okay. Now let's go do my hutch and then my server, and then we'll take a look at my trees. I have my candy tree to show you, and then this tree that sits over here to the right of the fireplace. I would like to say that I met a wonderful subscriber the other day, at Hobby Lobby when I was there. So shout out to you. Hi Patty, how are you doing? It was so nice to meet you. You are so sweet. Okay, let's start decorating this hutch for Christmas and get it all dressed out in its Christmas best. Okay, I'm going in with these plates that match my plates that are on my table. I got these at Pier 1 a long time ago. And I'll link anything that I can find. I've had these for years. Amazon, I love these plates. They just have different pictures of Santa, and I think he's gorgeous. And I kind of like to have him, although I'm going to switch these two. I want them to sort of look towards each other. I think that's more appealing when they're like that. And I'm gonna put this. These are measuring cups, the different colors from Walmart from years ago. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I'm going in with these red snowflake plates that I picked up at Pier 1 years ago. Just as that pop of red. Then I'm gonna take this right here and put this right here. And move this down here. Then last year I got these stackable gingerbread mugs. I'm going to set this one here. I would like to turn it that way, but you can see the back is plain. So I want to do it like this. Then I'm going to scoot this over just a little bit and set this right here, just to give it a little bit of flair. And then I'm going to go up here and put this one kind of in a little bit, I think. Then I picked this up a long time ago at Target, and I just have different red balls in there. I'm going to set that right in the middle, back in with these plates, and then I'm going in with this one in the center. Some of my bowls, I don't have them all out. I think these are so pretty. Then this was a little bakeware dish that I got a couple years ago at Walmart. I'm gonna snug it right there. And my last little mug, I'm gonna set it right there. And I think this is a festive hutch for Christmas. Now let's go to my server and then I'll show you my Christmas trees. Okay, for now, I'm gonna leave this just like it is, my server, but I'm gonna add two little Christmas items. Then I'm gonna come back and revamp this because I haven't gotten to all my stuff out yet. So I'm going to go in with this thrifted Reader's Digest book. It's a burgundy. I'm gonna set that right there. And then I'm going in with some more of these gorgeous trees, all right? And I'm gonna set it right here. And I think that's a very festive server. Like I said, not finished with it. All right, here is my candy tree. I changed it up a little bit this year. What I did is I took and made little bows out of my ribbon and didn't just have it coming down through there. And I really like it. I like how it turned out. I love seeing all my little gingerbread out here. They're so sweet. So that is my gingerbread tree this year. I really like how it turned out. So pretty. I really do love it. Okay, here's this tree to the right of the fireplace. I just made some really pretty little bows again with both colors. Okay, that wraps up this episode of my Christmas decorating in my home for 2024. I hope you got some decorating ideas on how, if you want to do spray nutcrackers, very easy to do, and it gives them a very upscale look. And I'd like to thank Dossier Perfumes for continuing to support my channel. It means so much to me. Don't forget, check out that link in the description box for their Black Friday, Cyber Monday, biggest sale of the year. And like I said, every day you get a better deal. So don't forget to check it out. They make great Christmas gifts. I love to give them for Christmas gifts. And they make wonderful, just staple perfumes. And while they're on such a big sale, why not stock up? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was conked out on the couch, and there she goes. Maggie, do you like what Mama did to the mantle? Do you like Christmas? What's Santa gonna bring you for Christmas? You know you met him. She said, I can't worry about it right now. I'm just too tired. So until next time, bye guys.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile.